Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn vibration on or off on your iPhone 16. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are inside, scroll down until you find the option called Sounds and Haptics. After tapping on it, scroll a bit more until you reach the section called Haptics. Here you will see the option that controls vibration for your ringtone. If you want vibration to always be enabled, tap Always Play. If you prefer to turn vibration off completely, select Never Play. And that's it. Now you know how to turn vibration on or off on your iPhone 16.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.